Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I want to share with you my mobile puja kit. Whenever I have to travel for work and I'm out of town living in a hotel room, I still want to continue my prayer and my daily schedule for worshiping the Lord. So I take this mobile kit with me. All that I have done is I have taken a plastic box. I have put in stickers of God, of any deity that you want to. Doesn't matter with religion. I put everything in this box, then I come to the hotel room, I open the box, then I have the battery operated candles that I light in the morning and in the evening after work, and I do my prayer. Here in this small box, I have vibhuti and kumkumam that I apply and do my prayer. Along with that, I bring in any prayer printouts with me to do my daily prayer. This is a small idea I wanted to share with you. And then I take a bath towel, a clean bath towel from the hotel room, and I lay it out in front of this table or in any place that you want, and I do my prayers. I wanted to share with you, this is what I do, not to forget the Lord and not to forget my tradition and my roots from where I come from. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.